Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Firstly, you need to open Moto app. Then click on those three lines located at the top left corner. Now select Personalize and tap on Fonts. Finally, click on the best one for you that you wish to apply. In my case, this one. So when I click on it and go back, I can see that style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, access exactly the same settings and tap on Default at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!